Hola, planes are in the air. It's Fiji time. Hey everybody, Baron Bruno with Professionals FIJI Real Estate. Today we're on Nisoso Island. See that white house right there? In the background you can see that nice turquoise colored water. That is the beach in Nandi Bay. And we are in one of the lifestyle lots, one of very few available on Nisoso Island. So just close to the beach, walk to the beach, and then you have these beautiful sleeping giant mountain views. This is a quarter-acre lot, 1,357 square meters to be precise, offered at 800,000 Fijian dollars. And this is about, give or take 15 minutes from the international airport in Nandi. And you have all your great restaurants, retail, shopping, everything super close by. This is Nisoso Island, private gated community. This literally is its private island. If you see straight ahead of us, you have mangroves. And so you can actually get your own boat and come in, dock your boat in the private boat slips that they have here in Nisoso Island, and literally walk or come back, take a golf cart or hop in the car and come back to your own home right here. And you can see there's even another home for sale just next door. They're finishing it up. So an amazing opportunity to own a spectacular lot in one of the most premier luxury gated resort communities on Viti Levu, the main island of Fiji. Learn more, go to professionalsfiji.com, call us at +679 999 2051, and we could be standing right now in your new front yard. And we'll just keep walking because I think it's time for some beach action in this sunny, beautiful day. Come on, let's go to the beach. We'll see you soon. Wanaga.